Well, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. I am Sarah, and I'm trying to restore a 2002 Royal Enfield Classic 500, and today's video is going to be about the tire and wheel. Hopefully, we describe to you how to take the front wheel off of your bike, and as added bonus, we're keeping in the content of our failure to replace the tire. I learned a lot during it, which is why we're doing this video, even though this is more of a how to not change your tire. This one is completely flat. We can't put air in it. The air just falls right out of it, which means that we shoved this spoon right through this tube. But we do have some useful content still, so hopefully you enjoy this video. So strap in and we're gonna get started, and we'll get the tires off. Front seems easiest.
Front's easier. Back we'll have to pull the chain.
Is this another like 17 or what the heck is that?
So these are drum brakes.
Oh.
So this is the brake cable.
Oh my God.
So we gotta pull this cable out, or like we'll have to figure out how to do this. Front wheels off.
Yay!
I think we put a tire spoon in there.
Okay.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
It needs to go further in, like a lot in, so maybe it needs more air out. There you go.
Just break the seal.
Yeah.
Ah, I feel it. It's out here. Is this safe?
So we ripped the tube then.
I guess so. We have a second tube if you want to try again, or we can try another day.
Yeah. Dang it.
Hope you enjoyed this video. This is more of an entertainment video than the other ones so far. It was less entertaining in person than it is now to review. Know that we were legitimately frustrated by the end of that, which I think is good content. And hopefully you enjoyed it and you're going to hit that like and subscribe button. So until then, can't wait to see you in the next video, and ride safe.